Many people believe belly fat exists simply because we eat too much. But the physiology of the body tells a different story. If you've tried dieting, fasting, cutting portions, yet that layer of fat is still there, the problem may not be your willpower. The truth is that your body already has tens of thousands of calories stored as fat. But if the fat-burning signal is turned off, your body will never use that energy source. Belly fat is not only about calories, it's about hormonal signals, especially the hormone insulin. When you eat, particularly foods that rapidly raise blood sugar, insulin increases to move energy into your cells. But if insulin remains elevated for long periods of time, your body shifts into what's known as energy storage mode. In this state, fat cells act like locked storage warehouses. The energy is still there, but the body cannot access it. This is why two people can eat nearly the same foods, yet only one loses fat while the other does not. Only when insulin levels drop does the body receive the signal that it's time to open the stored energy reserves. That's when belly fat can finally be released and used as fuel. Today I'm going to show you 5 real foods that can naturally activate a similar fat-burning pathway. No starving, no extreme diets. And the last one is where most people apply the wrong approach. If you understand the final food, the way your body burns fat could change completely. Food number 1. Healthy fats activate fat-burning mode. It may sound paradoxical, but one of the most effective ways to begin burning fat is actually to eat the right kinds of fat. For many years, fat was blamed as the cause of weight gain, but modern science shows that the real issue isn't fat itself. It's chronically elevated insulin. When you eat large amounts of sugar and refined carbohydrates, insulin rises sharply, and the body switches into energy storage mode. In this state, fat cells are essentially locked, preventing the body from using stored fat as fuel. Natural fats, however, have a very different effect. They barely raise insulin, helping keep insulin levels stable and allowing the body to start drawing energy from stored fat, particularly belly fat. In addition, healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body, something that tends to increase with age, especially after 40, and is closely linked to the accumulation of abdominal fat. The best options include avocados, extra virgin olive oil, whole eggs, grass-fed butter in moderate amounts, and nuts such as almonds and walnuts. These foods provide healthy fatty acids that promote long-lasting fullness and steady energy for hours. When hunger is controlled, you naturally eat less without forcing yourself to restrict food. On the other hand, industrial fats found in chips, fast food, packaged snacks, and refined vegetable oils have the opposite effect. They oxidize easily, promote inflammation, and can disrupt metabolic signals, causing the body to hold on to fat even more tightly. So instead of fearing fat, the key is choosing the right kinds of fat. When insulin levels fall and the body receives the signal that energy is stable, the process of burning stored fat can finally begin. Food number 2. Protein protects metabolism and activates fat burning. If fat provides the signal that helps the body switch into fat-burning mode, protein acts as the protective shield for your metabolism. When many people try to lose weight by simply eating less, the first thing the body loses is not fat, but muscle mass. This becomes a major problem, especially after the age of 40. Muscle doesn't just help you move, it also functions as the body's metabolic engine. The more muscle you have, the more energy your body burns even at rest. But as muscle naturally declines with age, metabolic rate slows down as well, making fat loss much more difficult. Protein helps prevent that from happening. When you consume enough protein, the body has sufficient amino acids to repair and maintain muscle tissue, especially after exercise or during weight loss. Protein also stimulates the production of an important hormone called glucagon. If insulin is the signal to store energy, glucagon sends the opposite message. It tells the body to release energy from stored fat, including deep abdominal fat. The balance between insulin and glucagon ultimately determines whether your body is storing fat or burning it. Good protein sources that are easy to include in daily meals include eggs, chicken breast, turkey, salmon, tuna, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and high-quality whey protein. These foods provide complete protein with all the essential amino acids the body needs. Another interesting option is bone broth, which is rich in collagen and minerals, supporting joints and skin, while also replenishing natural electrolytes. When protein becomes a priority in your meals, you'll notice a clear shift. Fullness lasts longer, cravings decrease, and your energy levels remain stable for hours. That stability creates the ideal biological environment for the body to transition into burning fat rather than storing it. Food number 3. Fiber controls insulin and quietly reduces hunger. When people think about fiber, they often associate it only with digestion. But fiber's real role in fat loss goes much deeper. One of fiber's most important functions is controlling how quickly sugar enters the bloodstream, which directly influences the hormone insulin. When you eat foods high in sugar or refined carbohydrates, glucose can rush into the bloodstream very quickly. The body responds by releasing a surge of insulin to manage that sugar. As a result, blood sugar drops again soon after, and you feel hungry just a few hours later. This cycle is exactly what drives constant cravings and makes belly fat difficult to lose. Fiber helps break that cycle. When fiber-rich foods enter the digestive system, they form a natural gel-like layer in the stomach and intestines that slows the absorption of glucose. This means blood sugar rises more gradually, and insulin also increases slowly instead of spiking sharply. When insulin remains stable, the body can continue using stored fat for energy rather than switching back into storage mode. Fiber also prolongs the feeling of fullness because it slows digestion, helping you stay satisfied longer after meals without the need for strict calorie control. The best sources of fiber include leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, beans, lentils, chia seeds, flax seeds, oats and berries such as blueberries or strawberries. Chia seeds in particular are an interesting example. When soaked in water, they absorb liquid and form a gel-like layer rich in soluble fiber. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds before lunch can help reduce cravings for several hours. Some studies published in the Journal of Nutrition show that a high-fiber diet can improve feelings of fullness and support fat loss without the need to count every calorie. What's important here is that fiber works very quietly. You don't feel its effects immediately, but over time, it helps stabilize insulin, reduce hunger, and create a biological environment that allows the body to keep burning fat. Food number 4. The right fruits help stabilize blood sugar and support fat-burning fruit is often considered a healthy food. But when it comes to losing belly fat, not all fruits work the same way. The issue lies in how the natural sugars in fruit affect blood sugar and insulin. Some fruits with a high glycemic index can cause blood sugar to rise quickly, especially if eaten alone on an empty stomach. When blood sugar spikes sharply, insulin also rises to move glucose into the cells. And as mentioned earlier, when insulin remains high, the body switches into energy storage mode instead of burning fat. That's why choosing the right fruits becomes important if your goal is to reduce belly fat. The best choices are usually fruits that contain more fiber and have a lower impact on blood sugar, such as blueberries, strawberries, apples, pears, oranges, and kiwi. These fruits provide moderate amounts of natural sugar, but come with fiber that slows down the absorption of glucose. Berries like blueberries and strawberries stand out in particular because they are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. These compounds may help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect metabolic function. When insulin sensitivity improves, the body can more easily shift from storing fat to using fat as fuel. One very important principle is to always eat fruit in its whole form, not as juice. When fruit is turned into juice, most of the fiber is removed. This allows the sugar from multiple fruits to enter the bloodstream very quickly, almost like drinking soda. Juice also makes it easy to consume far more sugar than you realize because the feeling of fullness rarely appears. In contrast, when you eat whole fruit, you have to chew. digestion happens more slowly, and the brain has time to activate fullness signals. For this reason, fruit is not the enemy of fat loss. When you choose the right kinds and eat them the right way, they can become an important part of stabilizing blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and helping the body burn fat more efficiently. Food number 5, nuts. One of the few snacks that doesn't sabotage fat burning. Normally, when it comes to snacking, most nutrition experts warn that the habit can increase belly fat. The reason is that many modern snack foods contain sugar, refined carbohydrates, and industrial oils, factors that quickly raise insulin and push the body back into fat storage mode. But there is an interesting exception: natural nuts when used the right way. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, pistachios, or peanuts are not simply a source of calories. They are a rare combination of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and important minerals like magnesium. This combination creates a unique biological effect. Energy is released slowly, insulin rises only slightly, and feelings of fullness last much longer than with typical snack foods. When you eat a small portion of nuts, the body receives a signal that a steady energy source is available. This helps reduce sudden cravings and lowers the likelihood of reaching for sugary or refined carbohydrate foods later. In addition, the magnesium found in nuts plays an important role in improving insulin sensitivity and supporting metabolic processes, which is particularly helpful for people trying to lose belly fat. However, the most important point when eating nuts is portion control. They are highly nutritious but also energy dense. About 5 to 7 nuts per serving is enough to provide benefits for stabilizing energy and reducing hunger. Eating more does not mean better results and may even lead to excess calorie intake. Another important note is to choose natural nuts that are unsalted or lightly salted, and avoid nuts that have been fried in industrial oils. When used properly, nuts become one of the few snack options that can stabilize insulin, reduce cravings, and support the body in continuing to burn stored fat rather than disrupting the process. Why do these foods work like weight loss medications? The common link between the 5 food groups we just discussed lies in a very important hormonal mechanism in the body: GLP-1. This is the same hormone targeted by many modern weight loss medications such as Ozempic. GLP-1 is released in the intestines after you eat, and it sends powerful signals to the brain and the body's metabolism. First, GLP-1 helps reduce hunger, allowing you to naturally eat less without forcing yourself into extreme restriction. At the same time, this hormone stabilizes insulin and helps control blood sugar, preventing the body from falling into the cycle of rising sugar, rising insulin, and fat storage. When GLP-1 works well, the stomach also empties more slowly, meaning food is digested gradually and feelings of fullness last longer. Interestingly, many natural foods, such as protein, healthy fats, fiber, and nuts, can stimulate the body to produce more GLP-1 naturally. This helps shift the body into a stable energy state and begin using stored fat as fuel instead of continuously storing more fat. The most important principle for starting fat burning. One of the biggest misunderstandings about weight loss is the belief that everything begins with eating less. In reality, fat loss often begins when the body receives the signal that it is safe to burn fat. When hormones stabilize and insulin is no longer constantly elevated, the body begins to unlock the energy warehouse stored inside fat cells. One simple principle that can help support this process is to prioritize protein and healthy fats first in a meal and carbohydrates afterward. This approach helps blood sugar rise more slowly and reduces insulin spikes. In addition, instead of eating strictly by the clock or habit, try eating when you are genuinely hungry and stop when you feel comfortably full. When hormonal signals such as insulin, glucagon, and GLP-1 are balanced, the body automatically regulates energy more efficiently. And when those signals change, what usually happens next is simple: fat begins to decrease gradually. Finally, the most important thing to remember is that your body is not lacking energy. In fact, most of us carry tens of thousands of calories stored as fat. The real issue is not forcing yourself to eat less, but helping your body receive the correct signals to begin using that stored energy. When insulin is stable, hunger is controlled, and hormones like GLP-1 function effectively, the body naturally shifts into fat-burning mode. If you found this information helpful, let me know which food surprised you the most by leaving a comment below. And if this video helped you better understand how your body burns fat, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming content.